Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar. The Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar is a natural detoxifying treatment that gently cleanses and removes dead skin cells and impurities from the body. It is ideal for dry, rough skin, as well as body areas prone to keratosis pilaris. The Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar can also be used prior to hair removal to prevent the formation of ingrown hairs. When in contact with water, it creates a lightweight, purifying foam that leaves the skin fresh and silky with a delicate natural scent. Advantage number 1: eliminates dead skin cells. Dead skin cell buildup on the surface of the epidermis causes dry, rough, and uneven skin texture. In some cases, pores may clog and cause the formation of ingrown hairs. In addition, the accumulation of dead skin cells forms barriers that prevents moisturizers from properly penetrating. The Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar contains bamboo silica that quickly removes dead skin cells and impurities right from the very first use. It encourages cell turnover and reveals fresh new skin cells. Signs of dryness, roughness, and keratosis pilaris are visibly diminished. The skin is left softer and smoother. Advantage number 2: detoxifying and astringent effect. Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar offers a detoxifying and astringent synergy of green tea extract and active charcoal powder, which helps absorb impurities and toxic waste from the epidermis. This is why it prevents the formation of ingrown hairs, improves the appearance of pores, and promotes a luminous and blemish-free skin. Advantage number 3: maintains skin hydration. Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar is ultra-rich in polyphenols from maple bark, black spruce, and yellow birch juice. It helps promote skin hydration, leaving an extra smooth protective film on the skin surface to fight against everyday environmental aggressors. Results: the skin is immediately smoother, softer, and brighter. Dry, rough areas with keratosis pilaris fade away with every application. The skin texture looks immediately more defined. How to use it? In the shower, gently rub the Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar on wet skin. Massage in circular motion with your hands to generate a light foam. Rinse well. Keep the Bioorganic Body Exfoliating Bar ideally in a cool, dry area.